At least one person in your group of friends is sure to wear prescription glasses. You might actually wear them yourself. Among the most common problems that affect your vision is nearsightedness, meaning that you can't see objects that are far away. This happens when your eye grows too much. Specialists say that we're in the midst of a worldwide epidemic because the number of people who suffer from this problem has doubled within the last 50 years. Genetics are normally considered to be the main cause of the appearance of nearsightedness, but a study published in the medical newspaper The Lancet say there may be another cause, one that is easier to prevent: sunlight. This study observed the relationship between time spent in the sun and outdoor activities and the appearance of nearsightedness. For example, the children in East Asia normally spend more time inside with very little sunlight, and almost 90% of them suffer from nearsightedness. According to researchers, sunlight stimulates the release of dopamine directly into the eyes. This neurotransmitter appears to prevent our eyes from growing too much. Another explanation, presented in a study performed at Queensland University in Australia, is that sunlight somehow nurtures our eyes. Sunlight also stimulates the production of vitamin D, which is responsible for our brain and immune system's health and regulates our eye health. It might also be due to color. Green and blue light waves tend to focus on the front of the retina, while red light hits the back part. When we're indoors with artificial illumination, the light's color pattern may be altered, and it could confuse the mechanisms that control our eyes. Whatever the reason, sunlight, under the correct circumstances, is beneficial not only for our physical health, but also our mental health. It can even help improve problems such as depression. And on top of this, it might help you not have to wear glasses anymore. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.